Welcome to the Paul Hands Academy of Photography, where I teach 1-to-1, 1-to-2 and group photography workshops.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Many students choose private tailored tuition on a one-day workshop, or enrolling on an all-rounder course exploring a variety of styles and genres. One recent student, Ian Baxter, he chose 4 sessions, starting with a beginner's workshop, learning basics of photography with an introduction into using a DSLR confidently in manual mode, and learning how to see, read and measure the light, designing professional compositions, and this also involved a post-production session using Adobe Lightroom and a little bit of Photoshop as well. Then we did a woodland and landscape photography workshop at Hartshill Hayes, a street photography day out in Leicester, and on another session we did a nighttime course on Croft Hill in Leicestershire. On the nighttime course we did some astrophotography, but we also did some work with sunsets and a little bit of blue hour photography as well, which is very dramatic. Thanks for joining all of my workshops. It's been a real pleasure to have you. I've really enjoyed teaching you. So what have you studied with me, and which was your favourite and why?
We've done 4 projects, which was beginners, landscape, night photography and street. The night photography was the best one I enjoyed.
Why?
Because there's a lot more to it. Night photography was something I wanted to try for a long time. I've done it and I enjoyed it a lot more.
Get in touch with me to discuss investing in your creativity today, and I can guarantee an immediate improvement in your photography. Email me on paul@paulhands.co.uk, telephone me on 07854 956 970, or just visit my website, which is www.paulhands.co.uk.